Hey there. If your Android phone suddenly freezes, stops responding to touches, or gets stuck on a screen, don't worry. In most cases, you can fix the problem by performing a force restart. This process does not usually delete your personal data and can help restore normal operation. For Samsung phones, newer Google Pixel models, Xiaomi devices, and Oppo phones, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Continue holding both buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds. The screen should turn black and the device manufacturer's logo will appear. Once you see the logo, release the buttons and allow the phone to restart normally. If you have an older Google Pixel, a Motorola device, or a OnePlus phone, press and hold only the power button for approximately 15 to 30 seconds. Keep holding the button even if a power menu or voice assistant appears on the screen. Release the button only after the display turns off and the phone begins rebooting. For other Android devices, try pressing and holding the power button and volume up button together. Continue holding them until the phone vibrates or restarts. After the device powers back on, check whether it is responding normally. If your phone continues to freeze, update the software, remove problematic apps, or free up storage space. If the issue still persists, contact the manufacturer's support center or visit an authorized repair service for further assistance.